Hey guys. I'm here at Tractor Supply and I'm coming to bring in my lawnmower because it won't start. We checked we put in fresh new gas. We cleaned the air filter and it still won't start. So I don't know if it's do it need a spark plug or what? But the lady told us to bring it in and see what's going on.
Oh, so the way that works is they call that number, right? The way that works is they call that number?
We just got it last year.
So what is it for? What is that for?
Let me go ask.
Yeah, it's for a service plan. Okay.
Let me go ask Michelle and make sure that, just want to make sure.
And well, I tried to file it last time online, but it stated that it's still under original warranty.
Because as far as Toro's warranty, I'm not sure. She's going to ask the manager on duty. As far as I know, the way it normally works is you call that number and talk to them because the servicing is handled third party, not actually through us. And I'm pretty sure what they do is, if the claim is valid, they come and pick it up and the service will bring it back to you. But I don't want to say. Do an exchange for it?
It just wouldn't start.
Yeah. So we can go ahead and exchange it for a different one if you want to take a look at what we have.
Alrighty.
If there's any difference, then we'll let you know. But if you want another service plan for like that lawnmower, because once we do the exchange, that cancels out the service plan. So if you want another one, just know you do have to purchase another service plan if you want that one guaranteed.
Price difference, you gotta pay the price difference.
Yeah, and if not, if it's the same product, it'll just be an even exchange.
Oh, okay. But how long do he have before he can do it before cause he want to do like a warranty, add another service plan to it? But he don't have the money right now to add it on top of purchasing the lawnmower.
You have to do the service plan at the time of purchase. There's no coming back and getting it later.
No, I'm saying he can wait to do everything at one time.
Yeah, you have a 2-year plan and you just got it last year. So you have like an additional year.
Okay.
So you don't have to worry about that running out. It's just whenever you do come and do the exchange, you do have to buy the power or the plan at that time.
Yeah.
There's no way we can separately just charge you for a plan later on.
Okay.
It has to be at the time of the purchase.
Okay.
But
That
yeah,
makes
you
sense.
still have like a whole year, like a little over a year. So you still have all that time. If you want to come back next week, another day or two, it doesn't matter. You're still guaranteed that.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
How come you guys wanted to get a whole different one?
It won't start.
Because with your plan, if you call the number, they'll tell you to take it somewhere locally where you live and fix it for you.
Oh,
Because
okay.
that's what the plan does.
Okay.
So you can also call that number and see if that's convenient for you.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
You too. Thank you. Come to me. Go put it in. Let me look at these lawnmowers back here. Okay, guys. So I don't know what we're gonna do. Wow, this one's $479.99, and that's not even including tax. Personal pace, auto drive. That one $369.99. Oh, I think this the one we have. Yeah. Okay. short build, $369.99. Okay. Greenworks 60V Pro 22-inch push more. I bet that's expensive. Oh, okay. $449.99. Why are these lawnmowers expensive? Okay, I need something for a weed eater. I think it's, yeah, it's these. Oh, okay, here go the weed eaters here. Oh, this is the battery pack one. 16-inch screen trimmer. Yeah, this the battery pack. It's 17-inch. So it's this one. DeWalt. That's a battery pack. Let me see. That's a battery for the DeWalt. Oh, that's the trimmer line. Yeah. Okay. I don't see the price for it. Oh, okay. So this one $219.99. So I'm thinking of getting one of these. I wonder, could you remove this plastic piece off? But that look like the longest one next to this one. But I don't see the thing for it. No information on it.
It's Troy.
Yeah, you should. They should be down aisle 26, right over that way. Or some side staplers would be down that way.
She took her sticker off the back?
Hello, Sam.
Let me see, do they, maybe I need to ask them, but do they sell the spark plugs for the lawnmower? I see spark plugs here, but I don't know if it's the ones for the lawnmower. These look like for cars. Look like it's for cars. So if anything, it should have been on the other side. Let me see.
Right now she called up. I'm doing okay. How you doing?
Okay. Oh, this battery is $149.99. for the Greenworks 60 volt AC battery.
Oh, man. You know, I found one yesterday. I got lucky. Might have been the last one. Before we all stopped.
I grabbed one of my other support jackets out of the closet. I ain't worn in a while. And it was $50.
Oh, there you go.
It's probably been 2 years since I used that jacket.
So it's a nice surprise.
Okay, guys, so
650.
I guess I'll get ready to head out and go home. No, take my son to work first. And then go home. I'm going to try my hand at growing some roses. I see this organic rose and food. Rose and flower food. Excuse me.
Thank you.
Do y'all sell spark plugs for the lawnmowers?
Yeah, they're going to be right down this aisle here. Towards where the canning is going to be right in front of the canning supplies down there.
Okay. What it say? I'd seen some spark plugs down there. That's for lawnmowers?
Yes, ma'am.
All those?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, wow. I thought they were for cars. That's what they looked like. It was showing the engine. Okay. You said these for the lawn? Oh, I see this one. I didn't see this one before. Okay. That one got the lawnmower. Oh, that's probably the spark plug we need. For $10. Spark plug wrench, universal. Oh, ball joint, ignition switch. Wow. Okay. Okay, guys. Oh, these the blade for the lawnmower.
Yes.
Okay, guys, so
He said you need my phone number, right?
I guess I'll get ready to head out. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.